here's something we can do. It's a neat trick. So if a to the power 5 equals to b to the power 4, that means, but notice, a and 5 and 4 doesn't have any common factor, right? So the only way a to the power 5 can equals to the power 4 of something, the only way to make it happen is that a must equals to something to the power 4. Okay, because which means, let me do it this way, which means a to the power 5 must be equals to something, for example, x to the power let's see, 4k, right? Where k is integer. Okay, the only way to make it happen is that this k will be 4. Sorry, this k will be 5 or 10 or something like that. Because 5 itself won't be able to bring me any factor. Therefore, the easiest way to do it is to let a equals to m to the power 4, which makes a to the power 5 m to the power 20, b to the power 4, then b equals to m to the power 5. There you go. There you go. So I related, which means I reduced the possibility of a and b, or two variables, into one variable. Okay. Now another one. I'm going to do something similar to c and d. C to the power 3 equals to d to the power 2. Then what I want to do is to let c equals to n to the power 2. Okay, because 3 doesn't contain 2. So c must work that way. Then c to the power 3 equals to n to the power 6 equals to d to the power 2, which means d equals to n to the power 3. At this point, I can take a look. C minus a equals to 19 gives me n to the power 2 minus, what's a? A is m to the power 4 equals to 19. Okay? Now this is useful because, again, 19 is something that is not very common, that have very limited number of factoring. As a matter of fact, 1 times 19, that's it, because 19 is a prime number. Therefore, what's in the front is factorizable. We can factor in it. Then we have n minus m squared, n plus m squared equals to 19. I'm going to get the possible values of m and n's because they're very limited. I can't say m equals to 10 because that's going to significantly make the number very big. It's not solvable. Then I will use this one. I will use this function to find n and m, similar to all of the other problems you have done before. Then I can use the n and m to find a d minus b, as it was required in the problem. So that's how we solve problem 14. Also not easy. Okay, so this chapter is hard, but you've done pretty well.